Hello friends, this is my first lecture on Python. So to start with Python, you need to have an environment on which you can write the code. So I'll be teaching you on Jupyter Notebook, which is very handy to use. So to install Jupyter, you must install Anaconda software, which is an open source distribution which includes many integrated development environment. We have to type www.anaconda.com/downloads. We have to click on second link. We have to search the install option. So here it is an installation. Here we go. Install Anaconda. We have two versions of Python available, Python 2 and Python 3. I'll be teaching you Python 3 version. You have to check whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, and likewise whether it is Windows or Mac or Linux. So I have already installed it in my system, so I'm not going into the detail. If you have any problem, you can go on the link docs.anaconda.com/anaconda/install/Windows or Mac or Linux. Here are the steps which are involved in installation of Anaconda. I'll provide you the link in description box given below. So that's it. Thank you so much.